Hi, my name is ئابدۇلۋاھاپ Rahman. I am ethnic Uyghur. I am from Postcam County, Kashgar. Today, I am going to testify for my father, brother, and my father-in-law. My last contact with my family was in April 2017. After that, I haven't been able to contact with my family. This is my father, راخماننىڭ, over 60 years old. He was a businessman. He doesn't have any criminal record. I have learned that he was sentenced to prison for 10 years in 2017, and he was in a prison in قارشى. I don't have any information about his current health situation. This is my father-in-law, Enver Mehmet, 55 years old. He is from Kashgar city. He was doing business after he had retired. He doesn't have any criminal record. I have learned that he was taken to so-called vocational training center in 2017, but he doesn't need any vocational training. I don't have any information about his current health situation. This is my brother Tevekul Rahman, 39 years old. He owned a supermarket. He doesn't have any criminal record. I have learned that he was sentenced to prison for 7 years in 2017, and he was in a prison in Běرىلدى County. I don't have any information about his current health situation, just like my father, my brother, and my father-in-law. More than 3 million Uyghurs in so-called Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region were detained in prison and vocational training center by Chinese Communist regime. They are facing torture and death. They are being forced to work in factory. The Chinese Communist regime is separating children from their parents to teach them communist ideology. The Chinese Communist regime is committing genocide against Uyghurs. This is crime against humanity. I ask human rights organization and the international community for standing up and taking real action to stop the Chinese brutal regime's barbarian action. Please help me to save my family members and my people. Thank you.